So let's install the module. I'm going to do a search for Pathauto, and the project page is projects/Pathauto. I'll scroll down and select the tarball link for the latest recommended Drupal 8 version, and let's install this. I'll paste in the URL and click install. We'll click enable newly added modules, filter it here, and it looks like we can't install it. Let's take a look. It looks like we need the CTools module. I mentioned this earlier, but using a command line tool called Drush will allow you to enable modules and automatically download all of the dependencies with a single command. We're staying away from the command line in the series because it can feel a little daunting if you've never used it before. And also, if it doesn't work right out of the box, troubleshooting the command line takes another layer of knowledge. So let's download the CTools module. So I'm going to project/CTools. There's no recommended release, so we'll use the best we can get, which is this alpha version right now. I'll copy the link address, go back to the site, install our new module, and now let's enable Pathauto. It's just warning us that the CTools module will be installed too.